Good day, my name is Braden, and today I'm going to be showing you how to run a weekly timesheet report. So, it's probably one of the more simple reports to do. All you're going to do is you're going to go over here, up to where it says Reports. You're going to go to Time and Attendance Reports, and then you're going to go down over here to Weekly Timesheets Report. Basically, so long as you have data, the report will work. You're going to just make sure, for this case, we're going to have all employees selected from this date with just our in and out times. We're going to order them by employee number, and we're going to keep raw data selected. All we're going to do here is we're just going to say print. If you do want to filter by department, you can do so, but for this we're going to have all employees, and all we're going to do is we're going to say print and send. And essentially what this is going to do is it's going to go through each employee over here until it gets to the last employee, and what it will do is it will then display our report. And there it is. So you'll see it just has their name, their employee number, the first date that we started with, which was the 2nd, up to the last date, which was the 8th, their total hours for the week, and a space for them to sign off that those hours are correct, with, as we go through onto the last page, a little section over here for your administration to also sign that everything is correct once all signatures are down, and for someone to check it as well and date it. And that's pretty much all there is to it for the weekly timesheet report. Thank you.